Imagine discovering that the power inside you is greater than anything your enemies can undo. Alagbala is a powerful Yoruba drama filled with destiny, spiritual, mystery, betrayal, hidden powers, and dangerous secret. This is not just a story about ordinary men. This is the story about a man choosing for something far beyond human understanding. The story follows a man who never knew how powerful the truth truly was. He lived a normal life, unaware that destiny had already marked him for greatness. But one strange night, something mysterious appeared before him. Before he could understand what was happening, he was spiritually transported to another region. And there, he was secretly fortified with powers beyond imagination. From that moment, his life changed completely. Bullets could not longer harm him. Danger became useless against him. Even when enemy attacked, he stood untouched like an invisible force was protecting him. But the shocking twist in ALAGBALA is this own brother. His brother was already known for fortifying people against bullets. People respected him, feared him, and believed he was spiritually untouchable. But unknown to him, his power was only a shadow compared to the hidden force inside his power, Rendeka. The deeper the story goes, the more anyone realizes that the younger man crisis something extraordinary, a power nobody can explain, a destiny nobody can stop. As their fame spread, dangerous enemy begin to rise. Some people begin jealous, others becomes afraid, and soon deadly men are sent to eliminate both brothers. The attackers believed killing them would end everything, but they had no idea who they were dealing with. Gunshot filled the air. Fear swallowed the street, yet the mysterious man remained standing. No bullet could bring him down at that moment. People finally understood that this was no ordinary human being. Meanwhile, hidden secret betrayals and spiritual battles continue on food, and every revelation reveals belief more shocking than the last. ALAGBALA is a captivating Yoruba movie packed with suspense, spiritual warfare, destiny actions, and emotional drama. The movie reminds us that true power is not always loud. Sometimes the quiet person carries the greatest force. With powerful acting,